We've got a 2016 Ford Transit van here. This is the Transit 350. I'm going to show you how to get this taillight out to change the bulbs. This one's a little bit different but interesting. You have to open the back door. And if you look inside, you will see there is a screw here. Use a star head or a regular one, and there's also one down here. So you unscrew them. Come out real easy. Now we're going to take the upper one out. Now as I'm loosening this, I can see this tail light starting to get loose. Almost like it's ready to fall out. Now that the screws are out, come back over here and just pins that hold it in. So we're going to you want to kind of hit it with your hand this way while holding on to it. You can see those pins, one on the top and one in the middle. You can see those pins go in there, and they kind of just hold it, but the screws that hold it in. Then if you want to change the assembly, you disconnect here. You press down on that right there, and you separate them with two hands. If you want to change a bulb, you just turn it counterclockwise. This one doesn't want to come right out. Wiggle it, and then pull the bulb straight out. And if you look on the bulb, once you get out, there'll be little numbers right there. It will tell you the number of the bulb, and that's the one you would need. Get from the auto supply house. Or you can take it to the auto supply house and they'll match it up. It's only a couple dollars. It's real easy to do. And that's it for the Ford Transit.